Hey everyone, hope you had a good weekend. Today on Darpan, we talk about the approval of blood plasma as potential treatment for COVID-19. The Conservative Party of Canada elects a new leader, and the Canucks were overpowered by the Vegas Golden Knights in Sunday night's game. The Conservative Party of Canada has a new leader. Last night, Erin O Toole won the leadership of the Conservative Party, promising a better future for the nation. Now, the search for a new leader began way back in January after Andrew Scheer officially stated that he will no longer continue as leader of the party. O'Toole took 57% of the votes on the third and final ballot, compared to 43%, with Peter MacKay coming in at second place. In his acceptance speech, O'Toole highlighted the need towards a more unified party to uphold Conservative values and holding the current Prime Minister Justin Trudeau accountable.
The Conservative Party will be ready for the next election, and we will win the next election. To the millions of Canadians that are still up, that I'm meeting tonight for the first time, good morning. I'm Erin O'Toole. You're going to be seeing and hearing a lot from me in the coming weeks and months, but I want you to know from the start that I'm here to fight for you and your family.
O'Toole served as MP for Durham, Ontario since 2012 and was also Minister of Veterans Affairs under the Harper regime. U.S. President Donald Trump put pressure on the Food and Drug Administration to fasten the process of developing drugs and a vaccine. The FDA gave the green light for the use of emergency blood plasma from COVID-19 survivors as a treatment for ill patients. Now, according to FDA's statement, it made it clear that plasma should not be seen as the new standard of care for COVID-19, as it seems promising with shortening the time when it comes to the severity of the illness in hospitalized patients. Early evidence indicates that the plasma, which contains antibodies against the coronavirus, could help improve the survival rate of people hospitalized with the disease. Data from a large study of plasma found that patients had a lower death rate if they received plasma within 3 days of their diagnosis than if they received it later, but those patients were not compared to a placebo group. Officials decided to scrutinize the data more closely. So clinical trials on plasma as a treatment for COVID-19 are still being conducted. Scientists are also studying if infusions of the plasma could shield healthy people who are at high risk for contracting the virus, like healthcare workers, from getting sick. In sports, after the Canucks won against the defending Stanley Cup champions 6-2, the St. Louis Blues on Friday, they played the Vegas Golden Knights on Sunday. However, the Canucks took a thumping at the hands of the Golden Knights. The Golden Knights won 5-0, and Travis Green, the head coach of the Canucks, said that it was the worst game of the playoffs, but said they can hopefully learn from it and get better. So let's hope they certainly do for Game 2 on Tuesday night. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.